Hey guys, it's the Custom Builder Bros here, and today we're going to be building a custom Millennium Falcon with scrap Legos.
We need to break the X-Wing to have enough pieces to make another build. So let's break this.
Okay, let's get building.
Okay, so we got the cockpit done, the base for it, the wires are all done, the gaming table is all done. Yeah.
So let's get to it.
So this is the base plate for the Millennium Falcon.
The hyperspace blaster. Let's keep going.
Everybody, we are all done the Millennium Falcon build.
This was a pretty tough build, and I'm surprisingly happy it's done.
We're going to be showing you a 360 of the Millennium Falcon.
Okay guys, so we got the cockpit done, and let's place a minifigure inside there. There is a spring-loaded missile. You can rotate it around and fire it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch the next video when we smash this build.
Bye. I farted. I farted.
3, 2.
What? I said 1.
3, 2, go!
1.
And 3, 2, 1.